I am Cadet Di Castro.
And I am Cadet Carabanyo.
And I'm Cadet Cruz.
And we are Art Appreciator. Arts is a soul's language, transcending boundaries of time and space. It is the manifestation of human creativity expressed through various mediums like painting, sculpture, music, and literature. Through art, imagination are stirred, stories are told, perspectives are shared, weaving a tapestry of culture and imagination.
Reflecting on the concept of assumptions. Arts, it comes to understand, it's really about the perceiving the idea we claim to about what arts ought to embody. For example, my previous convictions that only lifelike painting constituted genuine arts while abstract pieces were devoid of meaning, yet my perspective shifted upon encountering Jackson's Pollarks, emphasize the splatters, evoking expected emotions and demands and experience challenge my initial beliefs and borrowed my perfections of the varied forms of art can take.
The principles of art and design. Art, the foundation for creating an art. They represent how artists the elements of art to create a better effect as well as to help the artist to convey his intent. These principles include balance, emphasis, movement, proportion, rhyme, unity, and variety. Balance ensures visual stability whether symmetrical or asymmetrical. Emphasis highlights focal points during attention to key elements. Movement creates a sense of motion or positions within the artwork. Proportion maintains harmony and scales and size. Rhyme establishes patterns that engage the viewer. Unity brings cohesion to the spirit's elements, while variety adds interest and complexity. Together, these principles form the foundation of captivating artistic expression. Through comprehension and application of these principles, artists and designers can adeptly convey their concepts and elicit emotional reactions from their viewers.
Art in the Philippines is referred to arts work in the have developed and formulated in the Philippines from beginning of the civilizations in the country up to present time, has delved into the traditional arts of the Philippines entranced by elaborate craftsmanship of the Tiboli people and kinalak fabrics and labeling motifs of the Pandato statues, able creations in lyric, Charlie, Limerani, and abundant cultural legacy, and native traditional transmitted across in timeline, increase in the artistic impressions and sense of profound bond with the Filipino people, pulse and says.
Arts in Muslim Mindanao, emphasizing the vibrant colors and intricate designs that symbolize the region's cultural and religious depth. The mention of clear carving and kulintang music underscores the diversity artistic expression and reasoning with a spiritual significance tied to Allah and communal celebration. The descriptions evokes a sense of relevance and unity, suggesting that immersion in art offers profound experience of cultural identity and connections.
Art paints the final strokes, blending colors of experience and emotions. With each masterpiece unites stories vital, its closure, leaving behind a legacy woven in the brushstrokes and melodies. As a curtain falls, the gallery of existence resonates with the timeless echoes of creativity.
Come learn about art appreciation with us
And
and develop into an art appreciator.